The name of this bird is Resplendent quetzal. It is a bird in the trogon family. Scientific name, Pheromachus mossen. It is found from Chiapas, Mexico to western Panama. It is well known for its colorful plumage. They eat fruit, insect, lizards and other small creatures. Young males take up to 3 years to grow their long, pale feathers to the full length. Resplendent bird is the national bird of Guatemala. It have golden green wing, back, chest and head with a red belly. Both males and females have these colors, but those of the males tend to be more vivid, and the females' colors sometimes include grays or browns. The quetzal is a bird that many consider among the world's most beautiful. The resplendent quetzal was the sacred bird of the ancient Mayas and Aztecs. Quetzals live in moist tropical forests or humid woodlands in mountainous regions of Central America. They prefer to live at altitudes of 4,000 to 10,000 feet 3,000. The quetzal cannot live in captivity. It is confined in a cage. It dies.